Hi guys, Postman's bin. Got a pack of solar panels that I ordered. 60 by 30. These are supposed to be 1.5 volt. And what I plan to do is put 4 of them in parallel to give me a fair bit of power, amperage, milliamp hour, whatever you want to call it. So I've 3D printed myself a little rack for them. I'll use some double-sided tape to stick them in place, and then we'll solder across the back in parallel. And put one of my JST connectors on the end. Then I can use it as a power supply. First thing I'm going to try it on is the music box. So I'll stick them on, solder them up, and we'll give it a try. There we are. I think that's quite neat. So this is the test. Oh, not enough sunlight for that one, which normally drives it too fast. Sun is low in the sky, but not enough. Okay. This one, 1.5 volts. That is brilliant. We've been working up to this for a couple of weeks now, I think, or even longer. Had to wait for those solar panels to arrive. What happens if I tilt it up a bit? Oh, I'm very pleased. If you're wondering what that one's for, that's where I can plug a supercapacitor into it to charge it up. I may not need all 4 of them on a proper sunny day, but we're still in November. Friday, November the 22nd. And we've actually got sunshine. Can't say the word. We've actually got sunshine today. We had a little bit yesterday, and we had snow the day before. And tomorrow, apparently we've got a storm hitting us for 2 days. But that's what I wanted. I'll just see if I can get that other one running. Well, it did run earlier today, but the sun's gone down a bit. And there's not enough sun there through the windows. Probably be all right if I open the door, but then we wouldn't hear it sitting on the chair. Oh, that's annoying. I'll have to find a bit of old video clip. Old, only a few days old, when we actually had some sunshine. No, it's not going to do it. Well, that's the supercapacitor plugged in anyway. So it keeps running off the supercapacitor until the supercapacitor runs down. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.